Yehiv, good. We are reviewing Progress in Irish, chapter by chapter, lesson by lesson. So, Shachachet, here to you, Ceacht a Trí, lesson 3. Lesson 3 is mostly using what we call the verbal adjective. Can be called the past participle, it's not technically that, but it is taking a verb like dún, close, and making it something that was closed as a description, so as an adjective, so dúnta. And there's a whole series of these. Askeltje from askel, brisje from brish, strojke, kaitje. Okay, a couple little pronunciation things there. Listen to the recordings. Skull Gelga Yerod Tobin has a series, and there's another series. We have a link on our website as well for sound files for all of these lessons complete. So hit the book, hit the recordings, and make sure you go over that stuff too, so you get your pronunciation good. And just remember the vocabulary. So the verbal adjective here, past participle if you like, a describing word made out of the verb. Okay, krishna, finished. There's a whole bunch of them, and these are used just like adjectives, and it's the same thing that we did in the previous chapter. Ta andoris dunta. Ta, something, a describer. Okay, that's the same sentence structure. They give you some more vocabulary here as well. A few nouns to learn. Pian luhe is, or pian lui is probably the weirdest one. A lead pen, which means a pencil. So anyway, there's not that much besides that. It's just introducing this concept of the verbal adjective and a few more vocabulary words. So this shouldn't take you too long to go through. Just make sure you know the vocabulary.